Puppies, pretty girls, cold beer. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's war on every TV of every hotel room I've stayed in. Advertisers sell Viagra and gold coins in between. Scenes of genocide from Palestine. I think peace about civil rights you never really had. You can't afford to be that free. I ain't trying to argue, man. I play guitar the best I can. I put my head down in the bed. I head on down the road. Woody Guthrie's ghost is spinning circles in his grave. Grapes of wrath into wine. I'm drunk sitting here thinking about puppies, pretty girls, and cold beer. Getting folk you don't see once a year, wrapping arms around your neck. 5 went, Friday lights the way my baby looks tonight. They're all the kind of songs I'd rather write, but I can't seem to shake as I drive down every highway, every county, every state. Paint behind my eyes as the flags fly to remind us that the times they are changing. Now I'm sitting in a rise at the Fort Rack, thinking about should I buy a gun or put a record out. I don't think that either option's gonna change the way I sleep. I won't wait around until they come to my hometown, but it's a foolish bone to pick by yourself out on them streets. I just do my homework, read the red books, ride the red dirt in the face of all this evil. I just let these guitars play. Puppies, pretty girls, cold beer, everything we love and hold dear hangs upon our shoulders, you and me. I don't think I'm all that bright, I just pray that we'll be alright from the redwoods to that Gulf of Mexico Sea. God willing, this land's for you and me. Nice. I think that was one.
Yeah.
That felt really good.
Yeah.